This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the tool reliable. Wipe the jaws and beam, then close the caliper completely. Once closed, press the 0 button or align the vernier to 0. 0 mm so readings are consistent. Make sure you choose the right mode: outside for external diameters, inside for bore measurements, depth for slots, because the mode determines where and how the jaws contact the part. This initial zeroing eliminates error. Without it, every subsequent measurement will be offset and unusable. Now you measure. Place the workpiece squarely between the jaws and close until you feel light, steady contact. Too much force compresses the part, too little yields slack. Once done, use the thumb wheel or slider for a slow, controlled approach so the jaws seat properly. This reduces parallax and misalignment. Then read the display or vernier carefully, confirm units, and repeat the measurement 2 to 3 times to ensure repeatability. If readings vary, check alignment and try again. Finish by recording your measurement, and when helpful, switch units to cross-check the value for conversion errors. Make sure to clean the caliper and re-zero it before storing so it stays accurate next time. If results look inconsistent, troubleshoot quickly. Replace the battery in a digital caliper, re-zero, inspect for nicks or burrs on the jaws, and verify the sliding action is smooth. That single check often fixes most problems and saves time on remeasuring later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.